Daniel Lissing has been busy working on a new project. The former When Calls the Heart actor recently joined the cast of a new show which might soon air on Fox. The show is called The Cleaning Lady and currently only has a pilot, which means it hasn't been picked up for a season yet. Here's what we know so far about Daniel Lissing's new show and also find out what the actor has been up to.
Hey everyone, welcome to Trend Street.
Daniel Lissing took to Instagram earlier this month to reveal that he was back to acting. He posted this selfie from what looks like a trailer from his new set and captioned it the standard trailer selfie. The Aussie actor is certainly missed on the show where he portrayed leading man Jack Thornton for 4 years. His former co-star Erin Krakow showed her support for Daniel, commenting "Congrats, be safe" under the post. Daniel is starring in a pilot for an upcoming Fox drama series called The Cleaning Lady, which is based on an Argentinian series. According to Deadline, the show is a 1-hour darkly aspirational character drama about a whip-smart doctor who comes to the US for a medical treatment to save her ailing son. But when the system fails and pushes her into hiding, she refuses to be beaten down and marginalized. Instead, she becomes a cleaning lady for the mob and starts playing the game by her own rules. The show comes from The 100 writer Miranda Koch, Stargirl executive producer Melissa Carter, and Pretty Little Liars star Shay Mitchell's production company. Details about Daniel's character hasn't been made public yet, but we'll be sure to update you on it soon. The actor quietly married his longtime girlfriend Daniel Lissing in July last year. The couple currently live in Los Angeles. In November, Daniel revealed on Instagram that he is now a US citizen and even voted during the election season. Follow him on his Instagram at Daniel Lissing for more updates.
Thank you for checking this video out. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. Turn that bell notification on if you want to hear from us, and comment down below if you've subscribed, and we'll make sure to reply and thank as many of you as we possibly can.